Welcome to Mathematics for All by Neomath. Class 9 Mathematics Chapter 1 Number System. In this session, we are going to discuss about rationalize the denominator with two terms. So exercise 1.5, it's an introduction video, part 4. So these are the different forms of question. This is rationalizing the denominator with one term, and from 2 to 7 with two terms, 1 by square root of a plus square root of b, 1 by square root of a minus square root of b, 1 by square root of a minus b, 1 by square root of a plus b, 1 by a plus square root of b, 1 by a minus square root of b. We have two terms in the denominator. We are going to have to approach it differently than when we had one term, but the goal is still the same. So what is that? To make the irrational denominator to rational denominator. Okay, let me discuss the steps. Step 1. Find the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate is nothing but changing the sign between the two terms in a binomial. For example, x plus y. So conjugate of x plus y is x minus y. Conjugate of a minus b is a plus b. Conjugate of square root of a plus square root of b is square root of a minus square root of b. So here conjugate of square root of a minus square root of b is square root of a plus square root of square root of b. And here square root of a conjugate of square root of a minus b is square root of a plus b. Okay, just you have to change the sign between the two terms. But don't forget to keep the same order of terms. It should be in the same order. Okay, don't change the order. So that is the first step. Find the conjugate of the denominator. Second step is multiply the numerator and denominator of the given number by the conjugate found in step 1. Okay. Third step is simplify it. So we solve the second one. So 1 by second one, 1 by square root of a plus square root of b. What is the first step? You have to find the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of the denominator is square root of a minus square root of b. Step 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate found in step 1. So conjugate is square root of a minus square root of b, and here in the denominator, yes. Next you have to simplify it. So 1 into square root of a minus square root of b is square root of a minus square root of b upon, so a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? So the identity we can use, x plus y into x minus y is x square minus y square. So here square root of a the whole square minus square root of b the whole square. So square root of a minus square root of b by a minus b. Got it? So now the denominator is a rational denominator, correct? Okay, next one. Third question, 1 by square root of a minus square root of b. So conjugate of square root of a minus square root of b is square root of a plus square root of b. Multiply the numerator and denominator by square root of a minus square root of b. So we get, sorry, here you have to put plus conjugate. So square root of a plus square root of b divided by, this is also in the form of x minus y into x plus y. The same identity we can use. So square root of a the whole square minus square root of b the whole square, which is equal to a minus b by a minus b. Here plus, right? No, sorry, minus only, minus a minus b. Clear? So square root of a minus square root of b by a minus b. Clear? Second one. Third is fourth one. 1 by square root of a minus b. So conjugate of square root of a minus b is square root of a plus b. So multiply the numerator by square root of a plus b by square root of a plus b. We get square root of a plus b by, here you can use the identity x minus y into x plus y, x square minus y square. So square root of a the whole square minus b square. So square root of a plus b by, so here we get plus, right? Yes. So a minus b square. Got it? Yes. Next, fifth one. 1 by square root of a plus b. Conjugate is square root of a minus b. So multiply the numerator and denominator by square root of a minus b. So we get square root of a minus b by square root of a the whole square minus b square. So which is equal to square root of a minus b by a minus b square. Sixth. 1 by a plus square root of b. Multiply a minus square root of b by a minus square root of b. So a minus square root of b by a square minus square root of b the whole square, which is equal to a minus square root of b by a square minus b. Okay, the last one, seventh one. 1 by a minus square root of b. So we get multiply a minus plus square root of b by a plus square root of b equal to a plus square root of b by a square minus square root of b the whole square. So a plus square root of b by a square minus b square. Got it? Yes. Hope it is clear. In the next video, we will discuss exercise 1.5, question number 5. Thank you, children.